Katupuruchu na lolo. Arotaki Iyemuto koteso. Kesapoti diaros oyape silo Eyangaritere Federation mitunga. Oyape silo ka NRM kedayape silo ipolisin ko kidena ko kioga. Nepepeka eyape sikia RCC. Kanu aimo aipuch koto maswa mukech. Arotaki Iyemuto lwanyunyu rasi no ikesi abala sebe. Etapiti duchu kesa ibunga ineno koto maswa mukeche. Ido mamu chute pupene no aimonyo kech.
Decided to come together just to speak out and raise awareness so that our voices are actually heard. We are not fighting the government, but we are simply trying to pass out a message that we also have families outside there. We are actually simply doing our profession of informing and of course speaking up for the voiceless.
Today we are here to deliver our petition to human rights, to office of the RCC, to police, to NRM secretariat here in Soroti, because it is getting beyond our hand. In Serere, I was one of the persons who was assaulted. When I was assaulted, nobody spoke, nobody gave any explanation, and it was purported by NRM. The by-election in Bukedia, where one of our colleagues, Enuru Edi, was also assaulted. George Muron lost his gadgets. John Bosco lost his gadgets, laptops were stolen. George's laptop was stolen, recorders, and Nuru lost his gadgets, and nobody has come out to talk about this.
Like me, a female journalist, I'm a mother, I have kids, I've gone to the field to get information. I am threatened, some of us are beaten. It is not really good. And it's even scaring those ones who are joining us to be journalists. Because now, if our profession is scaring, how will others now benefit? It is not really fair, and we are really tired of this. We have just come because we have gotten tired. This is not the first time we have been threatened.
Let us allow the media to play their right part. Let government do its part. Let the media do its part, and our community will develop. This is the way to go, not brutalism. Where will brutalism take us?
Josephine Akelo Eyangaritere Federation kaitunga arina koteso nyesia balebe epote kesi aingicha kirongun ido ilipite arotaki Iyemuto kere Angurianata aiwadiki musagono kech.
There are very many avenues of lodging complaints in the commission, and what you brought here is one of them. What I can say for now, we are going to take up your matter. We shall do the investigations. I have my team here with us, the legal and the investigation officers who are mandated to investigate into complaints of violations. But what I need from you, if there's any victim, any person who has been by any way whose rights have been violated, from the by-election that we had last year, starting with the Soroti East by-election, the Serere by-election, and the Bukedia by-election, I request you to come and make a complaint. This is part of it, but also we need to record statements from individual victims.
Etoronto si arotaki Iyemuto noino epate loka NRM kanuebe ango pikite case. Ido Willy Bisanga loda epolo kiti epate koto mobuga lo Soroti ngesa giri tingunebe erae sabet.
Therefore, whatever is done for us as a party, if there are people who do that on behalf of NRM, they are criminals, total criminals. And it's not the policy of the party at all. Neither to beat any citizen, to beat a journalist, leave alone a kid in school.
Karaida apotulu Iyemuto itodoli kisebalo alo Anguriana kecho yape siloka ipolisin. Konye abalera bani kech Oscar agechaibe. Agoloro bere kesi Angurianata na iwara. Ibore mama pata na rainera kin kedalu Iyemuto osawa kangon.
Kanuka TV East, Alfreda Tuau, Kobuga Soroti.